Hey everybody. Everybody seems to like unboxing videos, and I've never done one before, so I figured I'd give one a shot. And this is the perfect package to do an unboxing video for. So let me rip the sucker open and see what we got inside, okay? I've got a couple of coins in here, so I'm going to try to pull out the best one for last. Alright, I had a 50-50 shot. You got it right. So let's look at the first one here. This is 1794 3 Gulden from the Netherlands, minted in Utrecht. Graded by NGC MS62. See if we can get a good shot of this. Very nice. Beautiful coin here. Awesome. All right. Ready to see the best one? Now, there are only about 72 of these graded by NGC and PCGS combined before the year 1800. And this is the first one I've owned. Let's pull it out and see what we got. Wow. This is from the Netherlands as well. It's a 2 ducat coin, or ducat, 2 ducat. Also from Utrecht, mint state 62 as well. This is super cool. Really cool to own such a rare coin. This was the only one graded mint state from 1776 from Utrecht. I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it, because I'm going to sell it for quite a bit more. A nice gentleman in Sarasota, Florida. I don't think they quite knew the value of this thing. It wasn't cheap, but worth quite a bit more than they were selling it for. Alright, hope you all liked my first unboxing video. Later.